We are pleased to show you the 2018 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front knee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.